high-capacity, energy-saving air conditioners designed to look great in any residential environment. Introducing the new MFZ-KJ series from Mitsubishi Electric. The flat appearance of the MFZ-KJ series was realized by adopting a unique design. It has a beautiful, symmetrical, simple form with low-profile air intake ducts, reflecting the pursuit of outstanding design characteristics that harmonize with virtually any room interior. The dual block configuration has removable legs, enabling it to support a variety of installation patterns. Excellent installation flexibility is realized by ensuring versatility for both standard and wall-embedded installation patterns. The MFZ-KJ series has 3 uniquely shaped vanes that contribute to flexible air control. The lower vane ensures a steady, comfortable flow of air to the legs and feet, like that of conventional control, while the 2 newly introduced upper vanes realize wide-angle air distribution. This helps the MFZ-KJ series cover a vertical span of 80 degrees during heating operation and 65 degrees during cooling operation. During heating operation, the twin flow vanes wrap room occupants with airflow from above and below, mitigating the feeling of direct airflow. During cooling operation, the top flow vane delivers soft, pleasant air conditioning with cool air directed at the ceiling, gently floating down throughout the room. Combined, the 3 vanes produce a short-range cyclic airflow called rapid heat, which delivers warm air immediately after operation starts. As a result, the rapid heating process raises the temperature of the air flowing from the unit to 40 degrees Celsius within approximately 4 minutes of turning it on. And the room temperature reaches 20 degrees Celsius within 15 minutes. All models in the MFZ-KJ series are high-capacity units, yet comply with high-energy efficiency standards, thereby providing first-class energy savings. And there's more. MFZ-KJ series air conditioners are ultra-quiet, only 20 decibels during cooling operation, and 19 decibels during heating operation, making them a perfect choice for the living room and bedrooms. Stylish design, energy efficient, high level of comfort, and extremely quiet. Mitsubishi Electric MFZ-KJ series air conditioners enhance the pleasures of daily life, raising interior comfort to a whole new level.